Austin, Texas for the United States Grand Prix. With lots of overtaking opportunities, this track is quickly becoming a firm fan favourite. As the clock ticks down to lights out, let's join the teams down on the grid. It's the Circuit of the Americas then. Situated 14 miles outside the great city of Austin, this is a 3.6-mile lap with 20 corners, 10 to the left and 10 to the right. Top speeds are around 200 miles per hour. Overtaking opportunities are available in turns 1 and 12, especially with that rear wing DRS wide open.
The US Grand Prix is underway.
What off already?
No way, gone into the wall. This was at the start of the race, and he made contact with... He goes to the inside, it will be outside line. And he's shuffled wide.
And we know that Williams is rapid. Here goes Sainz to the inside.
He loves this move. We've seen it before. We see it again. Went beyond track limits. Can he be brave enough to go around the outside? No. He needs this move, and he's in a great position. This is the closest he's been since the opening lap, half a second as we build up to 200 miles per hour. Can he be brave enough to go around the outside? No. But he forces the Ferrari deep. Now does he go to the inside? You could see the thought process there. He wanted the inside line, he doesn't get it, and he's shuffled wide. This looks more promising. If 4/10 of a second, 3/10 of a second, coming down all the time. Cross the line to take the checkered flag.